Hi friends, welcome to MSR WebTech YouTube channel. If you want to get regular updates from this channel, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. And today's topic will be very interesting and important topic, that is Marquee tag. Marquee tag generally plays a very important role in creation of the website for creating um, for catching eye of the user. That means uh, it's just looking as a very attractive point in the website. After applying this marquee tag, it will become very attractive. I will show how it works. For this also we have marquee as a starting tag and ending tag will be /marquee. For your purpose, I will show how marquee text I have placed in my website. Here is the latest thing which was scrolling on my website. These things for catchy purpose of the users have placed the text into the marquee. So let's get started with its attributes. Generally each and every other tag, it also has different types of attributes. First attribute is direction. It is used to tell the direction of the attribute. Next attribute will be height. It is used to tell the how much amount of size of the marquee. Next width. It is used to how much amount of your marquee content will be occupied in the overall web page. Say for example, this is overall web page. From by using this width tag, you can define the text within particular parameters only. Next thing is behavior. How your marquee text will be scrolling on your website will be defined by behavior. It has different types of attributes. I will show with the example also in few minutes. Next, scroll delay. Next, scroll amount. There are small difference. Scroll delay means for slowing the fastness of the marquee text, we use scroll delay tag. And for scroll amount tag, how much fast to increase the fast, we use scroll amount tag. Next thing is h-space. H-space is used to create horizontal space around the marquee. Next, v-space. V-space is used to create the vertical space around the marquee text. Next, loop. Loop is used to how many times the marquee has to revolve, like one time, two times. So generally its value is infinity. It will revolve in infinite times. Next one is busy color. By using this attribute, you can apply background color for your text by using color names or by using hexadecimal values. Next one is ID. ID used to uniquely identify your marquee. Next, hovering effect. Hovering effect I will show you with the example. Here online primary examination, like this text is scrolling. When I take the mouse onto this, I have to get stop, and when I take out the mouse, it gets scrolled. This is known as the hovering effect. To get this effect, we will also get the code. I will explain you with the example. For this, let's go into the code. Let's go into the code mode. So here it is the code mode. Previously I have defined you basic coding, so I don't want to waste your time, so that why I am directly going to the marquee coding. Marquee first attribute will be direction. It has different directions like left, marquee, MSR Webtech with left direction. Next closing tag will be marquee. Just save as HTML all files, save. Now going to the folder where you have saved your file. And here I am getting the effect MSR Webtech with left direction. In first manner we will see all the attributes, how its effect works. Let's see. I have already defined the coding. I will provide the link in the description box. You can also copy that code. Next thing will be MSR Webtech with update. Just Ctrl S and just see the effect. Here is a up direction effect. Next thing is MSR Webtech with direction attribute is right. Here you are getting the right direction. Next thing will be down. Attribute will be down. Just save Ctrl S and refresh. You are getting the down effect here. So I don't want to waste your overall time, so that's why I am just going to the next attribute. That is, what is our next attribute? Height attribute. Height attribute I will also show you with example. Just Ctrl S, height. I am taking different at 10%, 20%, 20 pixel and 100 pixel. 20 pixel means small height, 100 pixel means highest height. You can also use percentage. 10% means small, 20% means highest. Just Ctrl S and refresh. You will get the effect here. If 10 pixel, 20% is height, 10% is height, 100 pixels height. Next we will go to next attribute. That is width attribute. Width attribute is used to specify the width of the marquee. Okay, with just I have already wrote this code. So width equal to 20%. Just Ctrl S. Width equal to 20% means small width. 50% means 50% width. You can see the example by saving and just refresh the space. So it is width with 20%. 50% means it's occupy the 50% of your space. 100 pixels means it's occupy 100 pixels from the left. 200 means it occupies 200 pixels from the left. I will share you remaining attributes like behavior and also this execution of coding on website in marquee part 2. So please share, subscribe and follow our YouTube channel to get more updates and get more interesting topics of web technology. Thank you very much, friends.